your fabulous zone. That's why it's in Kunya. You are a distinguished guest. And for saying share in Sensei or Ghana football when I come as Adwoa Kotoko. In the Nat Master, it means Kasala Black Kotoko D. Mbin. It's a Ghana football. How far is it going? Where are we heading to? Ghana football na check. It will be asking back. It's a percent they did give me share the Kobby. In a discussion. Versus Health College. Lonava so true. Yes, I'm introducing guest for today. My father's name is Robert Oduro. I'll show you a couple of times. And yeah, sister Adwoa, so I'll show you a couple of times. And I'm going to share the topic for today. Now, you give me. As I announced the GCDA, we shared our rights. We say you share Ghana football. We say, see, I'm share on my dear customer. Share COVID-19 issue here. It's a political party. Young rallies, man, you pay Kobby up and down near the day and things will be a cassette. By a football, you're shooting one campaign for the cassette. The parties need to me, young rallies, their football, so it's my bounce back. Meaning, JC almost say 31st October, no money, I say. And for some my drink say, Oduro. I say, I think I could chill and
I'm say, somehow can I do and now me even before say about set crana me Adwoa. Now when is that this me a Monday born?
Oh really?
Now when Adwoa have one or two discussion on that. I think say me we are similar. Bibi and wa a back for say bad at the say year kwa. Corona ne buy no positive and negative. Now yen Kotoko supporters in Petro Mbako, our Minister of Education, Napo, Assembly America, or making famous statement be about COVID, bye. Say, Yaren and Nanti, a Nipa and Nanti. It's a Nipa, stay, and it's be stay. I'm the president of the nation, cry you sue, time our update COVID. Say, Sassamna, Minister Nekano, very true, because the more Nipa, a person be carbon tin and I are so spreading. But it do baby no, yet to say something to me. Even though na day update here, who say, oh, yentina ya rentinano. It do baby no president who say no. Say a economy of Ghana is dwindling. A coffin into your say move. Yareno, World Health Organization Amiati say Yareno, it has come to stay. It's part of us. Are we saying say HIV? A buy na be staying in nipa mu bi wana. People are producing a bill will fall crab boom. So as anti corona na buy on negative side and the positive side and a kwanya will be fast will be structure one na bit me corona na tena. You ha e bibia dey on compare brofo no you come so me om dey ento om ye pese to my beto om. Abrofo start on ball football no. Test players. But on ball no wie kura chi a o ma break no. After na players ni bi Enya Yareno. And it's high time, Senka, the so-called football people. Ombe to be beer good, ombe to party colors a good. No more fighting for the common goal to see to it say Ghana football be bounce back. Say ya so from penim for me mutime sorry kasa e my neck ya start kwa sorry. The same thing nasa football economy no. Penim for dey animu kasa. I'm football for no. The number of people who come to sports stadium or more around the stadium and then Omojuma bomb. For Chinchinka for Uncle alone. For ice water sellers alone. Some of you and then football in New York. We call Adwoa. Dream FC or game center, you both footballer and Crawford make sika on Sunday. I don't know maybe games again. And to me, the leaders of football in this country, are so quiet about the game. I want to mean Kasa Mayama football bouncing back. Now, the political party to me call rally. You to mean control crowd. No, that's what I say. They have the right to do so. Now, I didn't know football. They ain't me more. Say I didn't know football club minimum say me call class post stadium seat we even kwana meeting so nze mpanifo na football so no if they are that serious say on play football on bet ma demarcate stadium in a way meeting say obi ntena the next seat or menchen at least the number of people in the stadium will reduce but you be na crowd and match cherry boys no am game no akoso enche Ghana be bo offend then qualifier other countries uko Egypt na omo ball league South Africa omo ball and yes our players na iba be share Ghanaian players no mambo no omo epic form no yen players no me da pick form again Martin say the two participants in this country omo we CAF competition no aban be mom kwan so omo enye training na question na me bisa say aban ma Kotoko ni as good kwan so omo enye training omo team be training matches which ain't possible because Kotoko person be testing the strength against us good.
Yeah, Oko Champions League.
So that's on Oko Champions League, we Suko Confederation Cup. And it has good be here be a House of Folk friendly match. But House of Folk, your man can some training. Your man Abusan does can some training. And that these two clubs, Echo Camp, now almost 30 air prepare. Is it going to be training? South America, Africa, Nana? Become other colleagues in Asta table, Tanzania, Mobile League. Now, could show na yes, Kotoko, yes, as good. What's number 10 if I can say, look at game, no, and interesting, Omunyadi, place now, Hananyadi. I can't just a month or so, no more Africa. The boys need match fitness and need training fitness. There's difference between the training and the football match fitness. Omunya because team ben on any carbon, team on any carbon players need them few BRTV, Corona, a man say me training. It is high time say I'm penning for no best sorry I can't be actually Ghana buying. Say young crano, say Kotoko match yeah. VAT is the government. National Sports Authority in country say Kotoko match we now or nyashi that day Anthony Bottom. Oh, Kumasi Sports Stadium. Yabo Africa na CK coach. She get process a Kotoko reki send the core government and the government who say football industry no a discover na just one Sunday sika you been there for the various centers because stadiums are all Ghana and as centers all Ghana no belongs to government.
Yeah, so far.
Literally it belong apart from say bia Sogakope ni bia Dawu and some few as good but even that crowd no mutu VAT. Omutu VAT until they say other centers no kwa na emphasis kama mimi nimisa me Kotoko itu kwa the word that still be ma
na say you do e mo like say you
nimisa me Kotoko eko esipon be ma okopa akosi eho a Indom Stadium be ma enti Kotoko alone kwa ne ko ba bia na sika obe ma government enya no a day
na Accra
Kotoko ba ha
yebo we Accra ni Kotoko ni Hearts yebo you win 2-1.
Look at the number of people in the stadium. Yes. No help football first half we are here na Meko. Nyeti nyinga ura na Meko.
He was said that day or invite another money be kumo because it was marvelous.
So, and the thing is for even the stadium crown and for the benefiting to chain. For full buses very football matches.
Easy.
The transport sector benefited from football.
But my question back when I say also we what can you know say they are aware of it. I didn't say
me problem is say football people. Look, they need to package themselves because one also show say you are good at something and now you are ready to do something before the person will also help you. Churches or they wanted to go. One say, I don't know if it's true. Said Chief Imam was when they. I don't know if it's true. If it's somebody should prove me right. I don't know. Or more pastor so called just to see because in here like they needed it. So about football people, I think packaging yourselves for the president to take you serious. I don't know, but.
They are not fighting for the.
I don't know whether they've done it. Because the whole thing it's as if say or my opinion on per se but me so me want to say you shut down packaging we to make us ready say you per se you per se papa. But that is how I see it. No, cause testing of players, maybe over testing players, maybe things. I'm going to go. No, we say, oh, this is serious. And another thing too, it looks like Ghana league. No, you shut down branding because it's only Kotoko and has, or let's say Ashgo, that or Bola. The government will take much. Lot of Kim Faisal and stuff. If football is giving as much revenue to the government as elsewhere, the EPLs and COA, don't you think they won't allow us to play? Because foreign way, the government, even the COVID way, so why is it that when it comes to us, it's all about packaging? If you package yourself well and go to the government, I'm sure the government will be so let's do this, let's do that. But anyway, I'll say in 2 weeks and I ending.
Yeah, we're looking at maybe the ending of the month. But the thing is, I mean, Katono, in a way, yeah, say you can't as football fans. You name the ABA GFI and the government, and I believe the president of the land, advises concerning this COVID as to sector BS will be at this time and answer that time. But back to packaging now, what kind of Obia Ghana being the contribution of football. You share Ghanaian footballers are outside. Only then call outside. Each month, saying among even families alone. Na saying government inya from Skama transfer back Ghana. Are we looking at that? You share local scene. Say you can say COVID inti and ma banks will prettier because COVID near to say it's me. I wanted to meet in a castle. But during the COVID, Nimpuna na yewo we na banks will pretty. Say close to banker, we don't come to ye. And it is government who the need for allowing soccer to bounce back. Abeboa government, abeboa the industry players, players and the footballers, because the worker in the banking sector, they can't continue fear. Because I want a bank to be every month. Football and on football club no 8 yanika. But don't forget, say football player no also in the contract no name say covered by 2020. Until they assigned 2 years contract. Until the 2 years contract now sign 2020. Oh, what's the fee? One more for club no. Club doesn't mean as on yanika. But a company like MTN, Fidelity Bank, Paradise, Holland, our most sponsor Kotoko. In their agreements, they had something in the agreement say force majeure or care or be pulling out of the agreement, which goil affect Kotoko MTN so Enti Kotoko actually players cano. The sponsors and this can be permanent players they can say no corona ba. They are trained home. And to hear a source of funding a free ever. Government have who say individual been a pompiska the trancophobica now. Player do or better if you embra back no nanka form and or wa a mammy many Gisameko Stadium no this are form ni bill. One losing form no will be so as a boca. It is a one more bank or sponsor Kotoko yeah Juma Winyeska. But also on Kotoko sponsorship because Corona about Kotoko mobile. And another side by whom you know, don't say a second console or one crown of ball, bounce back. Because at the end of the day, if it's a player in Accra, if you scores our bank and sponsor, who is a bank in Onyeska? So, and I was saying, advise the government on COVID issues, a brand can brought from the status of more open up for football. That was Sabrina and common so because say me fan say me rent you fee na afibia so na aba be renovate me dan me demu mu a edan mu ye fin kran fa me ho because me say o me feel right there first of all be renovate. That is what football and government is happening now. Stadiums near bind there it is a property football team now war stadium ho and fan ho because them say they know the match we are obeti with tax obeti my rent obeji usika nti yesa renovate nti government adwen hu say my renovate transport stadium ato obi enyusu epo asrochina eboba no stadium na etete uja dan to wona obi enkomu for a year obekọ na dan no ayeden na say nti nkrofo use facilities no sa facilities no say nti nkrofo na use say me mom kwan no ko use government adwen ho ana so it's high time so mo even the football people no cry in say so mo put pressure on football people mo return back to because nkrofo bi a life
no say
more talent
but I'm sure say in Cheveba because I'm say last week Nanado call commission as to
UPS
who share strike Nanado striking ball now what you say Nini ball
Nana a football person ono ankasa kan now the thing is the Niger football the Niger football na eba update bi o de brain enye na ankasa say na me na me se me pese me yesi nti makamonye eye ni team na advising on COVID no
now also
my advice now mo de ba no because me can say doctor Nsia what about there or medical advisor na or we team no about we can time on believe say football returning but that was the time and I say football people sorry ka say no they betimi a handle situation no nti my kwan na yenko
but I'm sorry
because okay say do we who say Ghana for onye ready so betina fi do take cantonment or ton boni wa wu no onye na dwun so betina fi because onye scam put didi and aban first ka bia mra ne so on fani di indi do be ya ne say put pressure e come de ye wu ma e kwan ne nkoto ade na na some person na nkoto ade omoto ade what say cantonment obi enya COVID even though we kono ma trouble ne ma so ho no but yen hwe time political parties started say omo niema na yen hwe COVID cases na about that time the way I see for shoot here letting abo honorable ahinkra edin because they never out mo bi ehun say no wade ni bi na one went nya an keep no pour out come and go with people so what I say enti so football ye bie na ye say mo already ni binum gura na almost stadium nipa nko ho nipa binum teams ni stadium nipa nko ho enti ye bie tum na ye ka say restrictions wo ho enti some mo betimi abo football no without more fans there e be mo mabo
no who is saying you betimi aye
say ebo without fans I am run na ba e betimi aye we be say Kumasi Sports Stadium the past Kumasi Sports Stadium now you contribute scam team because yes say my stadium ho we were serving the ban.
Another thing, the current president has to bring back the love.
Yes.
Before Corona, you saw how things were going.
I seriously, local football was bouncing.
See, I'm sure, behind this club, I'm sure they have some strategy here on Bayama, on Kofu, ball. So I believe strongly that they have something up their sleeves.
Because I'm for Martin, the funeral.
You have to be about.
No, me just say COVID the back for.
Yes.
But say
yeah, baby.
Say go find. Politics for us, but football kwan dey.
You see Oba Cho Jare, I know you know. Yes. I believe. Football yes. Yes, and I football comes from the act.
You see, me fear cry is not about the commanding channel. Me fear has to do with what calf which we under. Calf na seno or no, he's not waiting for a nation.
Yeah.
Or the programming the friend Ambabontin said this is what we are doing. And was set the ball rolling. And the one also participating. Are you ready? And I will go person coming who's also could be keke. Near question no aba. Say Kotoko part me court in Liberia, na Liberian club or you Kotoko. How?
It's only say Kotoko you do na some the restrictions being say okay fine, won't come back stadium in the empty. To say get back Africa, you bet me about that fans.
Mami enka say be me say your former coach, Pakosi Fabian. So me PE master in school. Okay.
Okay.
Now my advice is on the Adwoa Kotoko, Momonko Africa. Because what site BBC even Kumasi Sports Stadium is not even ready. Renovation is not ready into Kotoko Bebo Kanya Day. But I'm telling my former teacher say Kotoko, you whole sports stadium.
Oh yeah.
And one thing about Kotoko and Crawford we bring in one as a movement, but I'm envy say Kotoko fan. or restricting so my name Ben Kotoko. I come fast for this Kabema Kotoko. It's so easy.
Yeah.
And I was thinking at this time, you know, the COVID na back for CC.
It's true.
And supporters leadership and so far ways and means as I bring or they promote supporters and or they push them in a way say Kobby se coverage into your stadium. My quan never fast for a bit try and gate fee. So, the player Emmanuel Jemfi and him say me call Akobo match against a second Musa Kumasi Sports Stadium and Accra Sports Stadium. But fans in your quan now the Drew Stadium let you know who say fans need go you did that. Oh, stadium inside the crowd na you not being warm up on tennis. Yes, spirit in the baba. Meanwhile, I want to on no. Must set it up be a giant screen. And to go over there noise the crowd was I know it's not inside. Yeah, when you see who they cost until we be laying you need team or what inside. Your honor your tray sika I get for your team dada. Because ABA maybe a circle 07 member. No 07 leadership on so your committee in him say this game you know and now they have access to the stadium. And this is a coin year fast to a gate process at my club no. Say be coincide saying coincide you try gate fee. But you be stadium or outside the stadium you be na a game no. EPL on mount giant screens or outside the stadium and crowd share that.
But I think Tama Mubande Kotoko no. There are supporters behind.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. And so you are talking say ABS any back.
Ever back now since ABS my core stadium. They should rather try now no. Prepare your mindset, tells it because I did be not doing but not doing papa. Say a Kobase, Obi a government say be more but your mama core stadium say then come core stadium now. You better than it my team no more. You be core stadium but you going wrong. You ain't quite the day. No place empty.
But don't you think, say, as supporters, fine, we should be educated and we should be tested? Because I don't know about the EPA, whether they said they will try and see if supporters would come to the stadium. Also, when we go to churches and mosques, the social distance,
yes.
As he said, when you go to the stadium, the chair, 2-3 chairs, we can.
Yeah, but they just pieces of 2 months.
Exactly. So I think, and all the protocols should be observed. There will be security there. On show nose mask.
You can't.
You are not entering. So I think if these things are put in place, it would work.
I know
supporters young court stadium. I think this.
I know of Bundesliga, the coming season, they are going to have a restricted number into the stadium, whereby they can restrict sitting. Into almost a year for a period, no more so will be almost record the cases via then they add up. That is a gradual process or testing. So it's something like na me say them like as you start football, nya dey member fans come to stadium.
Who asked for that one?
How my come in stadium?
Yeah, it's true.
It's starting game now. Kotoko starting for Africa by that time, you know. Yeah, my fans in stadium. But you better than scar from gate process. Whereby a sponsorship crowd winding. I will say to you to benefit. So these are the ways and means I be in circle leadership no bit me fine tuning nema. I'm fans who said even though club no boni nya kwan hwe no, this is the way I bit me as support home. Who my young stadium by in right inside. On between abontino mu hu dida ya. They have it in their mind. They say no. When you training na ye koye, nkrofo na ye pon a omo gina abontino train. So ebe boy am I be in your wins because these Egypt and the rest no more bono. The same thing. Fans in stadium. Egypt.
The African Cup here.
Yes. Go for go stadium. Sorry I say. And Egypt is not new to them because of the way the fans were behaving some years back. Almost ball leg behind closed doors. Some are like any rally. Almost matches them go for go stadium because almost here and talk quite see on terminal. They prevented the fans. The business is uncle for no million munyeska. Your budget for a year. Some are like an rally. Enti I will say fat models via a bit me in penny for no bit imagine so their abome scaba
because home game there ni na fans no
and one fans no
match without your fan base as I waiting the call onya vim
ta na say my bana fans ni ho there
fans ni ho there match level bia ni obia.
Yes.
So I think match has seen a trend. So when football come, I think individually the teams, the clubs, in front, they should be doing these preparations.
Yeah.
Say, am I a supporter Samba? What would you do? You just open near cup. And we should also know that we are in the era of COVID. Player Neymar. Time about
Champions League.
Champions League. He was negative. Bibia Matisse is here.
Even Pogba.
So I was saying,
yes, what testing?
Players in the beginning. Let's say next month I'm be a pronoma and saying bola. Over to me abono next week the teams, the clubs, have they put all those have they put all those measures in place that let's say every month or every 2 weeks we'll be testing the players? Have they put all that down? It's not a matter of just waiting. You buy you see your call.
But if you go passes in there, now top player, you say what
testing.
I'll say isolating.
To see a corner, you have injury.
Yeah.
It's like an injury.
And into now,
2 top players now.
2 weeks time, however.
Yeah, now factors are never winning into it. Now we say now we prepare.
Yeah, because anything I watch, is almost only 3 changes. We have 5.
Let me say for come on, young too. I feel about globally, and I say globally.
Almost a bounce after COVID, no more bounce back. No, almost start here say almost no more say yes, it's true. It's almost even carve crowd proposal. Say, I agree. Next season. Yes, next season. And number.
About the cow football man, I say for this COVID
in India. COVID in India. COVID in India.
Okay.
So.
And look at the way that they come to the stadium to bass somewhere for. It's not all the players are all packed. Do we have all that program down?
We must start from somewhere.
And America.
Yeah.
So we shouldn't just wait. So we prepare towards it. So that as soon as they open, we know that we are prepared.
Because Kotoko, you can say a Champions League without the fans there. Hey.
Yeah, but the club now question and also ball without fans.
You are not the only one.
Yeah.
And
you can bounce back.
You can bounce back, but you allow fans into the stadium. The only thing I'll do between is on start ahead of you into a match fitness. So do I say?
By this time, the players, we the supporters, we are used to
staying
with behind closed door Kotoko playing. So that the players should also be used to it by this time.
Yes.
But the only thing is the fitness.
The fitness.
Because Mufasa say, and to be frank, maybe I make say, I'll be happy on Africa, everything. But they say, dear, the fitness, as I said, only one of our friends to get your fitness back and everything.
Send we be here, you are not the buyer. Send it if you buy your call, we didn't disgrace us.
But don't forget at that time the clubs were not banned from playing or training until Utiminya team B. Yes, team B for us as a quad deportivo, not an able friendly. So that's it.
It's not all players that can.
Is it a major issue McCaff? Because Osha countries are allowed football cry now in Route 10 or Africa. Countries are allowed more football to say in Route 10 or Africa, but CAF competitions, all African nations. And a clubs if you remember your neighbor Ivory Coast more football that we say in second corner clubs in Nigeria clubs in Togo they will all go and me in a way no COVID but prepare we didn't out of COVID.
It's an exercise
for you. So and say COVID because say sorry to say, Nipa was saying 20, let's say, is it 20 minutes to be or washing inside? And hand sanitizer, Nipa was saying, and they use hand sanitizer. But COVID Obama, and they who said no, from time to time, there was some washing inside, or some sanitizing me home. In a way, hygienic wise, and conform more hygienic. And the name of a changing from a certain era to another era. COVID in the air, but saying there's new order in the world that will be a follow. Go US in pass corona no bank for Kobby. So that's it. So yeah, can't say a band or me corner their day. But economy, I'm shutting it down. Yeah, can't say Oduro airport I'll be 150 for testing and go for yes. Those are the things that you put in place. A situation I find yourself in an interview because work according to home fee.
All boils down to my packaging. package yourself.
And I believe that packaging, I would love my heart out to this new GFA administration. They are doing well. They are doing well in terms of packaging. They are doing well. When you go to, at times, FA website, think I won't show, but then on social media handles, nothing in a all right. Inti say a trenu a nines because a club like Bofakwa, a can branding now. Bofakwa brand before Kobby by me follow on social media a handle no. Omo brand on but this I want say premier clubs ni bi. Krasen no mo ye. In person about club be on set na o ka se obi a ade me papa alaji se Kotoko na egu kin faisa. So they say. Kotoko mun jai sa. But gu kin ba me pesa. I don't mean say oko England. Now for London. How many clubs now London?
Awon
I can say Everton a good hospice. Sorry, I say it's about management. How would you manage your club? No, any good club. Now, club you don't know, it not be good club. Or between players and when was the last time Kotoko talking first a player? Yes, Kotoko talking first a players into I said, and a club's meeting. Manchester City and Man United are in Manchester. Man City tenants who say he can't more catch no more Arabs no be shame no. They are now fighting with Man United and they are putting Man United on their toes. So, and the Alaji Misro, so show me Kim Faisal anya Kotoko negu Kim Faisal. And the Makwama investors in Kim Faisal. Na Kim Faisal magic Kotoko boot for boots. Then we say Kotoko say no. Kim Faisal adi omo say am peja home be enu ase.
But I say Kim Faisal CEO, your former CEO.
Yes, Adwoa Kotoko.
I say okase mi say Zenkonya ye bobo dia be ya nka baby odi Kotoko be duro na nka be board no. Also say no oba Kotoko without like the time no we just board now.
Ka say masa wa fi Kotoko bi.
I say we board.
Uncle George, me uncle.
We say why you know more than I'm the time no nti I think just board na ka wonders pa.
Uncle George, me uncle. I sometimes I believe him in terms of Kotoko rich experience or gather from the Herbert Mensah era. Herbert Mensah and man clubs are organized who say you brandy your home. Because any yanum for call South Africa go over come challenge cup. Now Kotoko suit then God now blood no time. Kotoko suit branded. Now yanum for ya copin pam cantaman to t-shirt I say. So it's experience now gather from Herbert Mensah or back think of experience. And maybe another man can do crave you but me they make us Uncle George. He's all your Kotoko supporter to say me and in same menka because I know say one day which ones have back to Kotoko even though Matisa what can say Kotoko Juma pa there but then what can say punya board where Kabe wonders no meaning say the possibility of you coming back to Kotoko no it's high Mestre Uncle George and same be ma onka wa bontin media be pushing amanaka monka because you know say club commercial Santo Kotoko is not just a football club. We be any opportunity we about team bia no or worship manshia or some manshia. Enti say o tena bonti na o kan se bia na ko say o to aboko manshia.
So the time wanya ma no.
Yes, o to aboko manshia. But if you ask nankasa you want say wanya mistake unya experience. Enti em fa ne say manshia mistakes upon mistakes on my from time out for by 99 no more be drew at this period no but I say no some mistakes we mean you today is the way to go and why is idea way nti said o kan say ne offer sene na ya amponsa no on fa the support to be a wo bia man na ya amponsa na Kotoko ye de na kumase ye da ibi be ka Kim Faisal
you the discussion we are very interesting pa per se Jumedino eba ewie the Jumedino the way we are maybe the discussion Fessens Health College na so too the nursing school say any nursing one oba na prepare admission wa say the better distinguished guests as a pass the terms are from Timbekan Robert Oduro any Adwoa Kotoko na Timbekan for the discussion the Fabulous Zone opeso huya oko YouTube no search the Fabulous Zone and Red TV baba go say bo bi shame na wa subscribe ya man go to Facebook like our page Instagram and Twitter your home go and follow us the Fabulous Zone so the can it's for the fans it's by the fans for the fans you better was pass it to suffer by the Jumidi this year say na you be sure say the say share me na kumata ta agenda na na be push okay that's pa
I don't want to say